Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will see one more example from book of ANSI C by Bala Gurusamy. So in this program, we will see use of break statement. Break statement is used in the looping statement to take the control from the for loop. So in this program, we will see the use of break statement. In this program, I have declared three variables of float type, which is number, average and sum, and two variables of integer type I and n, in which I is used as a looping control variable. Now I am asking for entering the maximum number of input and storing that input into the n variable. I want to user to enter n number of numbers and I will do sum of that numbers. So I have written one for loop in which I am asking for entering the number. For loop will continue I to n times, means 1 to n times. If number is less than 0.0, means if you are entering negative number, then I want to come out from the for loop. So we have to use break statement. Break statement will take away control from the for loop and it will come out from the for loop. If number is not negative, then I will create sum of the number entered by user. After the for loop, I will calculate average of numbers entered by user and I will display that average. So this is the use of break statement, to take away control from the for loop or any looping technique if certain condition occurs. Now let's see how program runs. Maximum number of inputs. I am entering 3. Enter number 1, 45 minus 8. So even though I have given maximum number of inputs is equal to 3, when I am entering second number minus, means negative value, loop is not executing anymore and directly average is calculated. Because of we have entered only one number, average is 45. So this is the use of break statement in loops. Thank you.